All right, in this video, I wanted to introduce you to the concept of strings in C. Since C doesn't have classes or objects, strings work a little bit differently than you're probably used to. So in C, strings are character arrays. So to declare a string, you need a character. Let's just call it string for fun, and the square brackets. So let's make a 20 element character array called string. Say we want to input from the keyboard a string. You can use scanf for that. The format string is %s. I give it the name where you want to store it. Now if we want to print that out, format string's the same, a %s. Let's put parentheses around this so you can just kind of see it a little bit clearer. And let's see what this does. All right, there you can see I inputted Apple, and Apple got stored as a string and outputted. So you can also initialize a string directly when you declare it. You can do that if you get rid of the size and you set it equal to curly brackets. Now this is kind of a shortcut. But if you put that's a character array, which usually takes single quotes, but if you put double quotes and put something in there like if we get rid of the scanf, you can see truck printed. One way to initialize a string.